Today I'm making a warm and cool heart print inspired by the art of Dine. So you'll have a piece of paper that's been folded in half like this, so you can easily fold it and unfold it. There's half a heart drawn on your paper. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow, and you're going to start outlining your heart, just the half a heart, with one of the warm colors. And you're just going to do a little bit at a time like I'm doing here, because you're going to be making a print. So I'm folding the paper, I'm rubbing it with my hand. When I unfold it, it's printed on the other side of the paper. So our half heart is going to turn into a whole heart as we fold the paper and make prints. I'm doing just a little bit at a time. I'm not doing the whole half a heart right away because I want the paint to stay nice and wet so that it can make a really good print. So I'm just doing little parts at a time, folding the paper, rubbing it, and making a print. So there's my heart. Now the warm colors are going to be used to paint the inside of the heart. And again, we're just going to be working on the side where our half a heart was drawn originally. So we're not going to be actually putting any paint on the other side with the paintbrush. We're going to be folding the paper to print it on the other side, just like this. So that way our heart will be symmetrical. That means it looks the same on both sides of the paper. I'm dabbing the paint on in like little brush strokes, just like Dine does. And I'm just doing a few little dabs of paint at a time, again, because I want the paint to be wet so it'll make a good print. Now that the inside of my heart is filled with warm colors, I'm going to paint some cool colors on the outside of the heart. And once again, just working on that one side and then folding and printing. Using cool colors on the outside of the heart is going to create some contrast. Contrast is when you put opposite elements in a work of art. So in this case, we're using opposite colors, warm colors and cool colors. These two types of colors make each other stand out. So by putting cool colors in the background, we're making the warm color heart really pop out. And here is my finished heart print inspired by Dine.